Okay, lap 3. We got Redlands. All right, Redlands, pick it up. Finish it strong. Let's go. Come on, Abby.
Good Terriers.
And there's the first Eisenhower. And let's see, is Jennifer in that group? I don't think she is. She's falling back. She's running with that other girl. So.
There she is. She's limping.
Is she?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
Well, she's favoring a certain leg.
That's the first girl in her group. So she's staying close. All right, there she goes. Time?
5:03.
5:03. All right, Jennifer, big last lap now. Get it over with. You can do it. Well, she has a chance of beating 6:48. She came in at 5, so if she runs under 1:45, it'll be a personal best. And it's a hot day.